Welcome to EduWonder Kids.
Hi, friends! I'm Milo the Monkey, and this is my friend TikTok the Clock. And here comes my friend Nina the Notebook. We're going on a fun Days of the Week adventure. Are you ready to come along? Let's go!
Sunday, Monday, fun and bright. Tuesday, Wednesday, feels so right. Thursday, Friday, almost done. Saturday's here, let's have some fun. Let's say it one more time. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, hooray, met! Whoa! Sunday, Monday, one more time. Sunday, Monday, fun and bright. Tuesday, Wednesday, feels so raw. Hooray, need a ray. Whoa! Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, hooray, net! Whoa!
Wow, that was awesome! We all had so much fun learning together. Now, let's read the days of the week slowly. I'll say the day, and you say it after me. Ready? Let's go. Sunday,
Sunday,
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah, you did it! You read all the days of the week. Give yourself a big clap. You all did a fantastic job reading the days. Now let's sing them slowly like a gentle song. Ready? Sing with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. One more time, nice and slow. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday! Beautiful singing, my friends! Now we will learn how to spell the days of the week. Say it with me. Monday. Let's start with Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday! M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday is fun to spell. Tuesday. Next is Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Spell with me. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Now we spell Wednesday. This one's a little tricky. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Say it slow. Wednesday. Thursday. Time to spell Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. We're doing great. Friday. Let's spell Friday. Far-I-D-A-Y. Far-I-D-A-Y. Friday. F for fun. R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Saturday. Weekend starts with Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. S-A-T, then U-R-D-A-Y. Sunday. And the last one, Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Sunday is a sunny, sleepy day. We did it! We spelled all the days of the week! Great job, everyone! All right, friends, it's time for our Days of the Week practice test. Get ready to spell, think, and have fun. Listen to each question and say the answer out loud, and we'll help check your answers. Let's begin. How do you spell Monday? How do you spell Monday? Wow, very good. M-O-N-D-A-Y. M-O-N-D-A-Y. What day comes after Tuesday? What day comes after Tuesday? Yes, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Which day comes between Wednesday and Friday? Yes, Thursday. Which day starts with the sound S-U-N? That's right, it's Sunday. What's the first day of the week? What's the first day of the week? You got it! Monday. It's Monday. You did an amazing job today. If you liked this video, don't forget to please subscribe to my channel for more fun learning videos.